Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can bypass uh, any of the tablet password. If you have forgot any password or something like that happened to you, it might happen to everyone that they set up very hard password and they end up getting forgot the password. So today I have the same situation. I have make any password. See, I completely forgot the password of my tablet. So I'm going to restore. It's going to wipe out every data from the tablet. And here how you can do it. First of all, just power off the Lenovo tablet. Then you press power button, volume up and down button together. Until you see the Lenovo logo. And release the power button once you see Lenovo logo. And it will straight divert to Android recovery mode. Once you got the Android recovery mode, you have to go wipe data and factory reset. You can access through the volume up and volume down button, and if you want to enter you can use power button. In this case we can't able to use touch in the screen, so here how you can do it. You can quickly start factory reset, data reset. Yep, it's gonna be like that. Data wipe complete, and you gotta press reboot system and enter it. It's gonna run it again. See how it goes. It's taking some time. We might need to wait 1 or 2 minutes. Let's see what we can do. So this is the Lenovo tablet. It's not a new one. It's around 2020. It's 6 years old. Lenovo tab. Pretty good condition, but I'm using for my YouTube and everything stuff. I usually streaming all the things here. A pretty good tablet for the childrens, and for watching entertainments and everything like that. Yeah, so it will be start again. As you can see, it's gonna start from the beginning. Yep, you gotta accept. Once you done that, I'm just quickly going to continue. Next. Accept. And from now I'm just quickly skip anyway. Skip for now. I'm just showing you guys how to do it. So just skip for now, accept and continue, finish, and you can now access your tablet without having any password delays or something like that. As you can see here, it's just loading up. See, so thank you so much guys. If you want something more about technology and resetting information, just comment me, so I will make a video about it. Thank you.